art friends. We've been learning about colors in art this last week, and this month of September we're going to focus on the element of color. So today I'm going to talk about a different thing about color, and that is warm and cool colors. So I'm going to talk about that looking at the color wheel. We're going to decide which colors are warm and which colors are cool colors. Okay friends, here is our color wheel with all the beautiful colors on it. Remember the primary colors? What are they? If you said red, yellow, and blue, you're absolutely correct. Then we have our secondary colors. When we mix red and yellow, what color do we get? Orange. How about if we mix red and blue? Violet or purple. Blue and yellow, we get green. And then in between these colors, they call them the tertiary or intermediate colors. So those are even when we mix more colors. But today we're not going to talk about mixing colors. We're going to talk about how colors make us feel. So I want you to look at this color wheel and think about which colors on here would make you feel cool and refreshing and like it's cool and cold. All right, if you said any of these colors on this half of the wheel, green, any of the greens or the blues or the purples, these are considered the cool colors. They do seem cool and refreshing like grass and water. Those are called the cool colors. So if those are the cool colors, then obviously these are going to be the warm colors, because they make us feel warm and toasty and hot, like yellow, orange, and red. Any of the yellows, oranges, or reds, or the mixes of those, are considered the warm colors. And you can remember those because usually if you've ever seen a campfire, the fire kind of has those colors in it. So those are considered the warm colors. So today we're going to do an art project using warm and cool colors. So what we're going to do is I got a 12 pack of colored pencils for you guys to use. We're going to take them out. They're brand new. And I'm going to take out all the pencils in this pack. And then I'm going to lay them over here by my picture. And now we're going to actually draw these pencils. But first, we need to divide them. One side of this picture is going to be the warm colors, and this other side is going to be the cool colors. So I'm going to think about it. Which of all of these are the warm colors? So you pick them out, and you can lay them in any order you want on here. I'm just going to start laying them out. So I already did one, which was the red. I did that one. I think a yellow is warm. Okay, I'm just going to decide which ones I think are the warm colors. And I think this brown is a warm color, so I'm going to put those there. So all those colors I have left, I would consider to be the cool colors. So I'm just going to start laying those. I think I'll put black and white by each other. They could be warm or cool, I think. But I'm just going to put the black on the cool colors. I think of it as cool. Doesn't really matter what order you put them in, just as long as you have the warm on one side and the cool on the other. So I kind of put all the warm colors next to each other and the cool colors. And after that, I'm going to remember which color. So I want this to be yellow. I'm going to just color this point yellow. So remember that's going to be the yellow color, the yellow pencil. So just color the tip, the tiny triangle of each one first. Then we can go back and color the rest. Once you have all your centers colored, then you can go ahead and color this next part on all of these brown, because these are supposed to look like pencils. So this is the tip of your pencil. This is the brown part of your pencil, and then this is the rest of your pencil. So I'm just gonna take this brown and color all these. Once I have all the brown shaded, then I'm going to go back and color each of the pencils the same color that it is on the tip. So I'm going to color the rest of the pencil, and then when I'm done coloring it, I'm going to go back and shade the edges just like I did on the brown. Okay friends, there's my finished product. I thought it was a lot of fun doing the warm and cool colors in our colored pencils. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to write your name on your paper.